Hello friends, welcome to Sudha's Veg Recipes. So how many of you have ever had sweet sandwiches? We have enjoyed cheese sandwiches, vegetable sandwiches, aloo sandwiches, pav bhaji toast and many more. But probably when it comes to sweet, all of us have tried only bread jam. So today I have come up with a sweet variety of sandwich to satisfy the craving for sweet tooth people. So I am making choco banana toast today. I have taken one sliced banana, the thinly sliced banana, and 4 slices of bread. So to start with, let us arrange these thinly sliced bananas on the bread. So on 2 slices I will arrange them. Next, sprinkle some sugar. You can use powder sugar or even honey if you like. Very few, because the banana is already very sweet and it's completely ripe banana. Some chopped nuts. I have taken almonds and walnuts here. You can take other nuts also of your choice. You can also add some chopped dates or figs into this. And finally comes the star ingredient, that is chocolate. Now chocolate you can put into this into various forms. I have this choco butter here which is available in market. So I am applying a thin layer of choco butter here. You can use Nutella, you can use Hershey's choco spread, just whatever is at hand can be used. Next I have taken this dairy milk, any chocolate you can take, and we are going to put its cubes on this. So break this randomly and place them over the banana slices. Quantity as much as you like. You can adjust the quantity, and meanwhile we will heat the tawa because we are going to toast this. So now the chocolates are arranged. You can even grate some cooking chocolate on this. Now let's cover these and put them on the tawa for getting toasted. So let's place them on tawa. So place them on tawa and apply some butter and cook them on low flame for 2 minutes or till the bread gets toasted on the lower side. Let's check on our toasts. As though cooked on one side, so let's flip them over now. No need to cover. Let's cook them for 1 more minute on the other side. We'll press the toasts a little so that the other side gets cooked well and the filling gets stuck properly so it doesn't fall apart. The toasts have cooked well on the other side, so let's take them out on a plate and they are ready to cut. Let's cut this. They are already looking so gooey, chocolate peeping outside the bread, and see. You can see the chocolate and banana layer. So when you are craving for sweet, try this with simple ingredients always available at home. Top it up with some chocolate sauce or some fruit sauce, pineapple or strawberry, and it will taste equally good. Subscribe to my channel and see you with more exciting recipes. Bye bye.